Hey everyone, it's Tuesday, November 17th, 2020 at 1:56 p.m. and right here is a polished brass 52-inch Hunter Biarritz / Excalabur from 1988. I mean, it technically is a Biarritz, but I think in some variations it was the Excalabur. I'm not really sure about that, but when I first learned of this model, it was the collectors have labeled it quote unquote the Excalabur, but I have one of these new in the box in the antique brass that is labeled Biarritz, so we'll just go with Biarritz. And I got this fan from fellow collector Brian Peterson, aka Cleveland Fan Collector on YouTube. I don't know if it ever made its way to his channel, but I guess I beat him to the punch. And it's got the ornate canopy right up there. And it can be mounted with that nut right there. I thought it was easier to do than have to push the motor sideways to screw it in with a screwdriver. Kind of mount like the way I would mount like an Emerson. Has an ornate sideband right there. And it's got an ornate fin pattern right there. I don't know if you can zoom in so you can see a little better. Right there, yep. The leaf pattern. Oops. And it has generic blade arms. Square tip blades, 52-inch with walnut finish. And I did not change a thing to this fan. It came exactly as you see it. Complete with the globes and pull chains and even that little tag that's on it. And since we're focusing on the light, let's shed a little light on the situation, shall we? Yep. I put the daylight LED bulbs in it. Gives out a fluorescent vibe to the room. Wooden spherical pull chains. Match the blades really well. And looks like Brian got it from Habitat. I still haven't removed the tag on it. It's $18.50, reasonably priced. Must have got in July of 2017. Well, so let's have a look at the fan illuminated. It goes pretty well with this room, I'd say. And the globes look like they came off of that of a Casablanca. And the light fitter is almost reminiscent of a Casablanca K4S fitter. Show the reverse switch right there on the side. Now I do have also have another one of these. I guess that was brand new. One of the collectors got brand new, and not the one I was talking about new in the box, but one that has the more generic 90s Hunter canopy. Well, it was launched in the late 80s and all throughout the 90s. The installer's choice. It uses a metal disc to mount to the ceiling. And without further ado, let's rev it up. First on low. There's apparently a mosquito flying around the room, but please disregard. Okay, medium. It's putting out good air on medium. And we will try it on high. Thanks to some blade balancing kits, I was able to make it run more poised because it had a slight wobble to it, and I was able to remedy it. And it runs just the way it should. Some slight vibrations, but you know, most fans have that in some way, shape, or form. It's putting out decent airflow, pretty much what you expect from a direct drive Hunter motor. Now we will do spin down. It's got a good spin down time to it as well. Bearings are really, really good on this fan. It's in immaculate condition. You would have sworn this was the one that was mostly new in the box, if you will. And Brian has another one of these in pretty much the same condition, albeit antique brass, and a generic aftermarket 5-light fitter on it. So hopefully gets to testing that one soon, and you will see it on his Cleveland Fan Collector channel. And like I said, the only thing I added to this fan were the LED bulbs in it. But other than that, I mean, it's 99% the same as when I acquired it. And also the habitat where it came from, they obviously price their fans a lot more reasonable than the ones I frequent, and I have not really been to them during the pandemic, but maybe, you know, after I get a vaccine for COVID, I might start doing that again. But okay, so there you have it. Fan has ceased operation. This concludes our broadcast day. Thank you for watching. More to come, and thank you, Brian Peterson.